Construction is rapidly evolving as robotics, artificial intelligence, and advanced engineering reshape the way buildings and infrastructure are created. In this video, we'll showcase 10 futuristic construction machines that seem straight out of science fiction. From autonomous robots and intelligent building systems to cutting-edge equipment designed to improve speed, safety, and efficiency, these innovations are redefining modern construction. You'll discover groundbreaking technologies that automate complex tasks, enhance precision, reduce labor demands, and boost productivity on the job site. Whether you're passionate about heavy machinery or curious about the future of engineering, these next-generation machines offer an exciting glimpse into tomorrow's construction industry. Get ready to explore the incredible innovations transforming how the world builds. Producing perfectly level concrete floors requires precision, consistency, and efficient equipment, and the Ligchine Screedsaver Pro Plus is engineered to meet those demands. This advanced laser-guided concrete screed delivers smooth, accurate floor finishes while maintaining excellent performance in challenging construction environments. Its intelligent screeding system easily navigates around obstacles such as columns, walls, and floor openings without interrupting workflow, improving productivity on complex job sites. With enhanced maneuverability, extended reach, and powerful hydraulic performance, the machine efficiently covers large concrete pours while maintaining precise grade control. It also supports modern laser guidance and advanced 3D machine control systems, giving contractors greater flexibility for demanding construction projects. Designed to reduce manual labor and improve finishing quality, the Screedsaver Pro Plus helps crews complete projects faster with more consistent results. It demonstrates how automation, precision engineering, and intelligent control systems are transforming the future of concrete construction. Construction is evolving through intelligent automation, and the COBOD BOD3 is one of the most advanced 3D concrete printers leading this transformation. Designed for large-scale construction, the BOD3 can efficiently print homes, commercial buildings, and other low-rise structures with exceptional speed and precision. Its unique track-based design allows the printer to move across the construction site, eliminating the need for repeated installation between projects and improving overall productivity. The system uses locally sourced conventional concrete, making it easy to integrate into regional construction practices while reducing reliance on specialized materials. Its modular framework can be expanded or customized to accommodate projects of various sizes, while advanced digital controls ensure accurate, consistent printing throughout the entire process. By combining automation, flexibility, and scalable design, the COBOD BOD3 is helping reshape modern construction, enabling faster building times, improved quality, reduced labor requirements, and greater efficiency for future construction projects. Construction technology is advancing rapidly, and the Hadrian X stands out as one of the industry's most innovative robotic building systems. Developed by FBR, this automated bricklaying machine is designed to streamline one of the most labor-intensive tasks on a construction site. Using a long-reach robotic arm, sophisticated motion control, and precision positioning technology, the Hadrian X accurately places large masonry blocks in real-world construction environments. It can build structural walls for buildings up to 3 stories tall while maintaining impressive speed, consistency, and accuracy. The system also reduces material waste, improves construction quality, and increases overall productivity. Compatible with a variety of building block materials, it can adapt to both residential and commercial construction projects. Rather than replacing skilled tradespeople, the Hadrian X supports construction teams by automating repetitive and physically demanding work. It represents a significant step toward a future where robotics and human expertise work together to build faster, safer, and more efficiently. Construction site layout is becoming faster and more precise with the HP SitePrint Robot, an autonomous system that transfers digital building plans directly onto job site surfaces. Designed to automate one of construction's most time-consuming tasks, SitePrint combines robotic mobility, advanced positioning technology, and intelligence software to produce highly accurate lines, symbols, curves, text, and reference points. Its smart navigation system enables the robot to move safely through active construction sites, avoiding obstacles while maintaining consistent marking accuracy. The compact lightweight design makes transportation between projects simple, and cloud-based connectivity allows teams to update layouts quickly as project requirements change. Rather than replacing skilled layout professionals, the HP SitePrint Robot handles repetitive marking work, enabling crews to focus on higher-value planning and decision-making. By improving efficiency, reducing errors, and accelerating project timelines, SitePrint demonstrates how robotics and digital automation are transforming modern construction into a smarter, more productive, and highly accurate industry. Creating smooth interior walls requires precision, experience, and countless hours of repetitive work. The Canvas 1200CX introduces a smarter solution by combining robotic technology with the expertise of skilled tradespeople to deliver faster, more consistent wall finishes. Designed for modern construction sites, this compact robot operates efficiently in confined spaces while accurately reaching high walls and ceilings. It performs both finishing compound application and sanding through a single integrated platform, reducing manual labor and improving overall productivity. Intelligent navigation, automated positioning, and advanced dust control systems help maintain a cleaner, safer, and healthier work environment. Rather than replacing experienced workers, the 1200CX supports them by taking over physically demanding and repetitive tasks while ensuring consistent surface quality. The Canvas 1200CX demonstrates how robotics and human craftsmanship can work together to improve efficiency, enhance safety, reduce project timelines, and shape the future of modern interior construction. Icon's Phoenix offers a remarkable glimpse into the future of automated construction by combining robotics, advanced software, and large-scale 3D printing technology. Designed to print complete building enclosures, including foundations, walls, and roof structures, Phoenix moves beyond traditional gantry-based systems with a highly flexible robotic arm capable of reaching greater heights and navigating complex building layouts. This innovative design enables faster setup, greater mobility, and the creation of intricate architectural forms that would be difficult or costly using conventional construction methods. During testing, Phoenix successfully printed a 27-foot-tall structure, demonstrating its ability to support multi-story construction projects. Working seamlessly with Icon's BuildOS software, the system coordinates robotic movements, material delivery, and printing operations to maximize efficiency and accuracy. By reducing manual labor, minimizing construction waste, and increasing automation, Phoenix has the potential to revolutionize residential and commercial building, making future construction faster, smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Preparing large concrete floors is often time-consuming and physically demanding, but the DaFang AI DFG800 brings intelligent automation to the process. Designed for modern construction sites, this autonomous floor-grinding robot combines artificial intelligence, machine vision, and laser navigation to operate independently with exceptional precision. It automatically plans efficient working routes, detects obstacles, and maintains consistent grinding quality across large floor areas without requiring constant operator control. The system also integrates wet grinding with built-in slurry collection, filtration, and dust suppression, creating a cleaner, safer, and more environmentally friendly worksite. Beyond floor grinding, the DFG800 can assist with polishing, surface cleaning, and concrete curing, making it a versatile solution for commercial and industrial construction projects. By automating repetitive floor preparation tasks, the robot reduces physical labor, increases productivity, and delivers more consistent results. The DaFang AI DFG800 showcases how intelligent robotics are transforming modern construction through greater efficiency, precision, and workplace safety. Road construction is becoming more efficient through advanced equipment, and the GOMACO CC1200 is a prime example of this progress. This compact slip-form curb machine is engineered to deliver precise concrete curb and gutter installation, even in confined areas where larger paving machines cannot easily operate. Its remote control system provides operators with improved visibility and accurate machine control, enhancing both safety and productivity throughout the paving process. The CC1200 accommodates a variety of interchangeable molds, allowing contractors to produce multiple curb and gutter profiles with minimal setup time. A large concrete hopper ensures a continuous material supply, while responsive steering and an automated vibration system help create smooth, uniform finishes. Designed for versatility, reliability, and high performance, the machine enables construction crews to complete projects faster and with greater precision. The GOMACO CC1200 demonstrates how modern engineering is transforming infrastructure construction through smarter, more efficient paving technology that meets the demands of today's industry. The Baubot MRS-15 is an advanced mobile construction robot designed to automate demanding tasks while improving productivity and safety on modern job sites. Developed by Baubot, it combines a rugged mobile platform with a high-precision robotic arm capable of performing drilling, anchor installation, material handling, and a variety of specialized construction operations. Its modular design supports interchangeable tools and attachments, allowing the robot to adapt quickly to different project requirements. Built for stability, precision, and extended reach, the MRS-15 uses intelligent control software to help operators plan and execute complex tasks efficiently. It also integrates with digital construction data and incorporates advanced safety systems, enabling seamless collaboration with human crews. Rather than replacing skilled workers, the robot takes over repetitive, physically demanding, and hazardous jobs, reducing fatigue while increasing consistency and efficiency. The Baubot MRS-15 represents a significant advancement towards smarter, safer, and more automated construction sites of the future. Interior finishing is one of the most labor-intensive stages of construction, and the Okibo EG6 is transforming the process through intelligent automation. Designed as an autonomous construction robot, the EG6 performs painting, drywall finishing, sanding, and surface coating with exceptional accuracy and consistency. Instead of relying on pre-programmed site maps, it uses advanced artificial intelligence, 3D sensing, and real-time scanning to understand and adapt to its surroundings as it works. Its robotic arm easily reaches high walls and ceilings, while supporting a variety of surfaces, including drywall, brick, and concrete. The battery-powered mobile platform navigates indoor construction sites independently, using obstacle detection and smart path planning to operate safely and efficiently. By automating repetitive finishing tasks, the EG6 reduces physical strain on workers, improves project quality, and increases productivity. This innovative robot demonstrates how AI and robotics are shaping the future of construction by making interior finishing faster, smarter, safer, and more reliable. The future of large-scale construction is increasingly driven by robotics, and the Icon Titan print system is a powerful example of this transformation. Engineered to build stronger, faster, and more efficient structures, Titan combines advanced 3D printing technology, intelligent automation, and high-performance construction materials to produce reinforced concrete buildings with remarkable precision. Designed for multi-story construction, the system significantly reduces the time, labor, and complexity associated with traditional building methods. Automated planning, accurate material delivery, and intelligent process control allow Titan to operate efficiently with a small crew while maintaining consistent quality throughout every stage of construction. Its adaptable design enables deployment across a variety of residential and commercial projects, providing greater flexibility on modern job sites. Rather than replacing skilled workers, the Titan print system enhances their capabilities by automating repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, allowing teams to focus on specialized craftsmanship. Icon Titan demonstrates how robotics and digital construction technologies are reshaping the future of building with greater speed, efficiency, precision, and sustainability.